With love, say Dhan Guru Nanak. A lovely incident. How Guru Ram Das Ji listened to our prayers. A great writer from Sikh religion, Bhai Veer Singh Ji, wrote in his book, he had a habit. Whenever he visited Harmandir Sahib, that is Golden Temple, while leaving the temple, he always said, Dhan Guru Ram Das, rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj. What? Dhan Guru Ram Das, rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj. One day, while he was saying this, a man, a Hindu man, standing beside, holded his hand and asked, if anyone says, Dhan Guru Ram Das, rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj, is this truth that his slavery will end? Mohtaj ki, that is slavery. Bhai Veer Singh Ji said, if with truth in your heart, if anyone says this, his slavery will end. Mohtaj ki, slavery is a big fault. Someone is slave of alcohol. Someone is slave of non-vegetarian food. Someone is slave of physical attraction. This Hindu man was slave of smoking. He was a chain smoker. He said, I am a chain smoker. Doctor has warned me, if I keep on smoking, I can get cancer. My family life is highly disturbed. Here I am within premises of Golden Temple. I am able to control the habit. But once I am out of the premises, I will start smoking. I smoke multiple packets within a day. If I say Dhan Guru Ram Das, rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj, will my slavery end? Bhai Veer Singh Ji said, say it loud. Hindu man said, Dhan Guru Ram Das, rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj. With love, say Dhan Guru Ram Das Ji. They both left. This man reached his office. He controlled himself from smoking for few hours, thinking, I just have visited Golden Temple. But he has the habit. So as soon as he picked the packet for smoking, somebody came in his cabin. So he left the packet there and got busy in his work. As he got free from his work, this person again picked the packet and again someone came. This happened 4 times. Then men started thinking, is it a miracle? Whenever I move towards the packet, someone enters the room and I get busy with work. Or this may be a superstition, or Guru Ram Das Ji's blessing. Because at morning I said, Dhan Guru Ram Das, rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj. Today is my first day. 5th time when I approached the packet, nobody came in my room. So I thought that 4 times it was a superstition. When I was opening the packet, my heart said it loud. Dhan Guru Ram Das Ji, Dhan Guru Ram Das Ji, Dhan Guru Ram Das Ji. धन्य गुरु रामदास जी। This sound, this Shabad was going in his mind. He thought, I am not a Guru Ramdas Ji's Bhagat, not even a daily visitor, but deep in my heart, this Shabad started. I didn't feel like smoking. From morning till evening, this Shabad was going on in my mind. I don't know what happened in evening. I just thrown away cigarette packet on road. From that day till today, I haven't touched the cigarette. Dhan Guru Ramdas Ji. Now, one time he said with devotion, Dhan Guru Ramdas rakhi gareeb di laaj, kari na kisi da mohtaj. His slavery ended. Then Guru Ramdas Ji blessed him. This is one of the solution. Apply it. One visiting Golden Temple can't come empty-handed, but with only one condition. One should know way of visiting Golden Temple, not by partying, enjoying like a picnic, or you going for a vacation. Go with reciting Lord's name. Whenever you go to any pilgrimage, go by reciting Lord's name. With love, say Dhan Guru Ramdas Ji. Pavanand Singh Ji always said, before visiting Guru Ramdas Ji's Golden Temple, fixing I will do these many parts or his Nitnem, Guru Ramdas Ji welcomes them with open hands. Guru Ramdas Ji waits for him. When will he come and I will fulfill his desire. Dhan Guru Ramdas Ji. One should go with modesty, respect, and not for a vacation. Usually people make plans like a vacation. Like we will visit Golden Temple, then we will go to some hill station, then we will go here, there. But one should go only for Guru Ramdas Ji, only for him. With love, say Dhan Guru Ramdas Ji. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.